Can the PNB MetLife Dhan Suraksha Yojna plan truly provide meaningful financial protection at an affordable cost, or are its benefits too limited to meet your family's financial needs? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual micro life insurance savings plan. Some of the key features of the policy are: you get to pay your premium just once and enjoy life insurance coverage for 5 or 10 years. And there is an inbuilt accidental death benefit which provides an additional sum assured in case of accidental death. You get to receive a guaranteed payout at the end of the policy term as well, like a guaranteed maturity benefit. So there is no medical examination needed from this policy to offer you life cover. And also a loan facility is available against the policy, providing access to your funds during financial emergencies. So these are some of the key features of the policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages. So as I have already mentioned, there are single premium feature and also accidental death benefit, and there is no medical examination required to purchase this policy, and a loan facility is also available. So these are all the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages as well. Like the maximum sum assured of this policy is limited to 1.25 lakh, which may be insufficient to provide meaningful financial protection for your family. And while this policy offers guaranteed benefits, the overall returns are relatively low compared with other investment avenues. So the policy also has a fixed term, leaving you with no flexibility to choose a policy duration that will align with your financial goals. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an internal rate of return analysis. So we are going to calculate the IRR based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So one thing to consider is this policy offers you a sum assured ranging from 6,250 to 1,25,000. However, this level of life cover is quite limited when compared with a standard pure term insurance policy such as Saral Jeevan Bima plan, where the minimum sum assured is 5 lakhs under the applicable IRDAI framework. This is something very important to remember. So let us assume for calculation the purpose that a 36-year-old male has purchased this policy with a sum assured of 25,000, a 10-year-old policy term and a single premium of 20,000. At maturity, he will receive 33,362 rupees, translating to an IRR of 5.25% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So the key concerns about this policy are low returns, as IRR of just 5.25% over 10 years offers you limited potential for wealth creation. So the maturity value of 33,362 rupees is also only modestly higher than the 20,000 premium paid, and even the maximum sum assured of 1.25 lakh is significantly lower than the 5 lakh minimum sum assured offered under Saral Jeevan Bima plan. So this makes the coverage inadequate for meaningful family protection. In a nutshell, this policy does not fit your portfolio in any aspect. So as this policy does not give us a desirable outcome that we need, let us now consider other investments, a comparative analysis. So here, as we need to understand, is life insurance is meant to provide financial protection to your dependents in your absence. Therefore, the sum assured should be adequate to replace your income, cover outstanding liabilities, and help your family meet important future financial goals. So, a pure term life insurance policy offers substantial life cover at an affordable premium, making it one of the most effective ways to safeguard your family's financial future. For wealth creation, it is better to keep insurance and investments separate. So, invest according to your financial goals, risk profile, and investment horizon, and build a well-diversified portfolio suited to your needs. So this approach can help you create long-term wealth while ensuring that your insurance adequately protects your family. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the PNB MetLife Dhan Suraksha Yojna plan worth it or not? This policy combines life insurance with a guaranteed maturity benefit. However, its fixed policy term and single premium structure offer you limited flexibility. More importantly, our analysis indicates that the plan provides low returns and inadequate life cover, making it less effective as both a protection and wealth creation solution. And it also has a high agent commission. So for comprehensive financial security, it is generally better to keep insurance and investments separate. So, a pure term life insurance policy can provide substantial life cover at an affordable cost, while investments can be structured separately based on your financial goals, risk profile, and investment horizon. So, in simple terms, let insurance protect your family and investments build your wealth.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.